and it's already decorated. I just decorated. It took me time, but I just did it. I haven't finished it because I want to do some things with you guys, so I'm going to show you. Ta-da! Look how cute! I love it, and look how gorgeous and original. It's going to look like this, and I'm going to put some pictures, anything. I'm going to just put some over here. You're only like 2 lefts. No, yes, 2 lefts, and I'm done. And I got this part. And there are some, I love this one because they have a lot of different kinds of pattern paper. I got this summer one, I got this one, it's like glitter one, I polka dotted one, and I'm thinking green. And look at this. And I did this. And I did this. It's a pretty weird one, but I really liked it. I did this one. This is my glitter ribbon, and I love it. And I just made a little one, like, have some little, make some cuts there. And I got this gray paper, and it's really shiny. It's like glossy. Looks really cute. And it looks like this. So I'm going to finish it with you guys. Really good. So I got my lid, and it's going to look really cute. Like, really matches a lot. And since I got to finish 2 of them, I cut, when I cut, remember I told you it's always not put away your scraps and things. So I decided to just have them here with me. And I'm going to use my light gray, and it's really glossy and really shiny. And I can use it with a dark pink or a brown. And it looks going to look really cute. So I'm going to take this gray here. I always do some inventions and things, and I'm like really randomly. And I have some right here. These are not that cute. This is a random one. So here it is. This one's going to look really cute. So I just always take the size of it, and I'm going to cut it. I gotta measure this over here, and I'm going to cut like over here. I cut it a little bit, and I just need to cut this. Like, and I'm going to put it like here. Let me just cut this a little bit. So I'm going to cut this like in half, and I can put it here, like this. You know, I cut this actually, and I just can do it long. It's going to look like all over. It's going to look super awesome. It's going to look like this. It's like this long, you know, pretty long, like this. And then I can put like a ribbon. I got this blue ribbon. So I'm going to put this together. I'm going to use tape. So I really should wait. And I'm going to see how it's going to look. And I'm going to put it right here. And the ribbon here, it's going to look super awesome. So I got this ribbon, I cut it really long. So I'm going to put it like here to here, and I'm going to cut it. So just cut it a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to cut it here. Glue it there with some magnet tag I have. Just going to put the magnet tag here. Okay, and I'm going to let me just sew tape on the back here. Just a little bit of tape. This is a fast way and a cheap way too. And it looks really cute. I'm going to put it here. And this is a cute paper. And it's going to look like this, and I can put a picture, you know, really, really random. I like this one I cut right here because it has some orange, red, pink, like purple, and dark purple. It looks cute. So now I'm going to put this with some magnet tack here. This is a pretty long video because this is it's super long, this video, and it's a really long project too. Okay, now I'm going to just apply this here. There you go. And we just made one. Now we have one left. And look how simple and fast you can do this. I can put some buttons, and I got this flower. And I'm going to do a random one with this flower here. It looks really cute. Actually, it doesn't match so much, but it looks cute. Oh, I love it. So, there's... Oh! We made all of them? Oh, here's the last one. Okay, let me just cut this paper a little bit. Let me just change my blades here. I like this trimmer better because I can change blades in different designs. It looks really cute. Let me just put this away. I'm going to cut this paper just a little bit. Okay, this is a live video. Okay, perfect. I just cut it like in a ½ inch. And I'm going to put, I can just put this part over here. I'm going to put this here, and this like here. Cute, 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 cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Put it like here, so the flower is going to be here. So I'm going to, there we go, and I'm going to, this is a fun video, I like it. And now we're going to put the flower. I can put it like with pop dots, so it looks different. Pop dots here. I really don't like the pop dots, so I gotta use them because it's the only thing I'm gonna do. Now in all the petals, I gotta put some pop dots. I use these pop dots a lot because since they're really little, so I gotta use them. I gotta use a lot of them. This is turning out really cute. Really cute, cute, cute. Now I'm gonna put this. One more pop dot left. This is like a summery and girly explosion box. Super cute. Okay, look at the difference. It looks really cute. And I put it here and it's done. Really simple and fast and super cute. Now I'm going to I just got to change the way of this. Sorry about that. Now, I'm going to put this part here. I'm just looking for my magnet. Oh, here's my magnet. And I'm going to put that. I just lost something right now. Okay, here it is. Okay. I'm going to just apply this. like 6 dots or 9 dots. 9 dots. So I just think it's really cute. Good way. It looks super awesome. I love it. It's super cute. I'm just organizing this because it's a really bit of a mess. Since I gotta look for some papers and everything. So I just organized it a little bit there. So this is for today. And, you know, it was a pretty fun video. I love it. And I had so much fun with you guys. So, this is for today. And I hope you guys like it. Let me just close this down. Let me just show you all of them. Look at this one. I love this one. This one. Oh my gosh. This one. This one is awesome. This one. This one, and this one, and this one, and this. So, this is for today, and I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to visit my site at homegirlcrafts.com. And if you have any questions about the explosion box, just leave a comment on my YouTube channel or on a video, and I will really be pleased to answer all of your questions and all of your doubts. So, have a nice day, guys, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys can make one of your house because it's really simple and fast. Bye!